Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to another small business showcase. Now I know you're probably expecting a crafty video today, but these items that I have, because they're handmade and they have been sent over time, some of them have been sitting here for a while, and I really think that the small business owners deserve me to break in and do the video because they worked so hard to get me the items. So I just wanted to make sure that I didn't hold them too long, and you're going to love what I got for you today. Now, if you're not familiar with what my small business showcase is, these are businesses mostly submitted to me by you. Some of you are actually viewers that watch me and have sent me some of your items in, which I think are super cool. And we are sharing them with you guys to help you with, your Christmas list and also supporting small businesses. So this first one, I think these are adorable. So this was submitted to me by a viewer, and this store, and I hope I say this correctly, is Designs by Siboney. I hope I'm saying your name right. It's a beautiful name. I'm going to have a link to your store below, but I have to show you these items. When I went to her page, these are the ones that got me. I got to get my camera right. These are stunning. I'm going to take them out of the package, but I wanted to wait and take them out with you guys because I want you to see how beautifully packaged items are. Because if you're looking at these for Christmas gifts, oh my goodness. Now you might be thinking, Maymay, those earrings are too big for you. Yes, they are, but they're not too big for Shannon. Shannon loves these kinds of earrings and they look so good on her. And the minute we saw them, we're like, Shannon, these are for you. So that's the earrings that we got for Shannon. And then this is the necklace to match. Look how stunning. Now, from everything I can tell, basically from the viewer that sent this to me, here's her address right there. Look on her packaging. Let me put that there, but I'm going to put it in the description. She makes these using just, jewelry fittings and things of the sort. But look how gorgeous this is. So the earrings and the necklace, how unique is that? If you know someone who likes big earrings, this would be such a great gift to get at Christmas or for a birthday or even a graduation gift. Look how beautiful this is. Love these guys. So there's two of the things we picked up. Then this one had Taylor written all over it. I can't buy all these things for myself. You know what I'm saying? I can only have so much stuff, right? But this one just had Taylor's name written all over it. And let me get it in my hand where you can see it. Look how stunning this is. So Taylor loves sunflowers, and this one has got scripture, Colossians 3:2 on this side, and this is Colossians 3:2 in here, set your mind on things above, and then it's got a little sunflower and a little leaf charm as well, and it all just kind of dangles on a pendant that you wear. And the funny thing is, when I ordered it, I called Taylor in to show her, and she's like, you won't believe this. I just saw somebody wearing something similar and fell in love with it. So this one is Taylor's, but look how gorgeous. It's the perfect length. Look at that length. So good, and it's very well made, very sturdy. I just love this piece. And then as a gift, because I did not order these, she sent me a pair of earrings. So look at these pretty leather, very lightweight leather earrings. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh, wow, they're so soft. And they're real leather, I believe. They may not be, but they have a beautiful smell to them. Look at that back of them. These, again, I'm going to let Shannon have because actually they would go really well with Taylor's necklace. So maybe these go to Taylor so she can have a set and Shannon can have a set. How gorgeous. Thank you so much for submitting Designs by Siboney to me. It's either Siboney or Siboney. I'm not exactly sure how to say it, but I hope I'm saying it right in one of those ways. And I'll have links to her store below. Even if you just go get these. Are you kidding? Oh, and these came in other colors. So if you didn't care for kind of the rainbow colors, it also came in like just yellow, just pink, just green, like in the individual colors. So gorgeous. So there is one of our small businesses we're showcasing. Now this next small business is one that I found right by myself, okay? I want to make sure, I'm looking at her packages to make sure that there's no like private information I shouldn't show, and there's not. Okay. So Patlewis, I have apparently been friends with Pat on Facebook because of a Cricut group. I think that's how we ended up becoming friends. I don't really know, but here's what I know. She started making earrings and she posted them on her page, and oh my goodness. So this is the packaging. I wanted to show you. This is how it came, wrapped up in this pretty green tissue paper. And when you open it, look at these earrings. Okay, you're probably thinking, where's the earrings? Hold on, I'm going to show you. She posted these on her Facebook profile. And I was like, girl, I want those so bad. Look how gorgeous those are. And then look at these. These are clear earrings. I'm going to take them out so you can see them. I have not taken them. I want you guys to get to see the packaging because I feel like these small business owners go above and beyond with their packaging and how gorgeous it is. Look, she even has her. See, we had to have been friends from a Cricut group because this feels like a Cricut card. Maybe it's not, but it feels like it is. But look how gorgeous these earrings are. Now, when I saw them, I was like, clear? What a smart idea, because you can wear them with anything. And Shannon fell in love with these two. These are for Shannon. I'm telling y'all, we all know around here, big earrings are the thing for Shannon. It's her favorite. So there's those. Now, these are mine, as you can tell, because they look like cheetah. They look like zebra, but in cheetah colors. I love these guys, and they weigh nothing. I mean, they are so incredible. They're nice and thick. They're just beautiful. Now, here's what I want to tell you, okay? And Pat wanted me to make sure I tell you this too. This business for Pat is a little new, okay? So she's still getting all of her supplies in, and she's still, every day she has more coming in. But here's what I want to tell you. They sell out super fast, okay? Because she has lots of friends on Facebook that already know about her, and she only sells through her profile. Well, I take that back. I think you may see a link to a website in the description for her, because today when we talked, she said she was working on that and she might have it done in time. But either way, I'm going to leave all the information for Pat in the description. I'm telling you, they sell out. Like, she'll put them up and you go to the description to try to buy it and they're already gone. So you need to start watching her page. And listen, she has so many different styles, not just the clear ones. She even makes keychains and other items, which are super cute. I think I'm going to order myself one of the keychains. You'll have to see it. It's really cute. But I think I want one because I think it'd be neat to have on my key ring because it's really cute. But I love these so much. And her style, she has a really good style. Go check out her page. You'll see what I'm talking about. I just love them. And Pat, thank you so much for these absolutely stunning earrings. Okay, now, these next items I'm completely in love with, okay? How did I find the Pickety Place? Let me first show you this. This is her card, okay? Either a subscriber sent me the Pickety Place or maybe Mona did, but Mona has been a YouTube subscriber for a while, but I didn't know she did this. First off, look how gorgeous her card is. Obviously, it's using my stamp set, so I think it's gorgeous, but she really made a beautiful card. And I want to show you something. There's nothing private in here, okay? But I want to show you, look what she did on the inside. She put a pattern paper, and then she used it to write her letter on, and it became like her lines for writing. I've never thought of that, but it is brilliant. I love it. So there's Mona's card. Look how cute. Love it. And she sent me well, let me show you what I purchased, okay? Because she sent gifts, which you don't have to do. I'm not asking for that. I'm trying to support you, but this is what I purchased. Are you kidding me? This is called Be Kind Billy. Now, I ordered him for several reasons. Number one, he's the cutest gnome I've ever laid my eyes on. I'm going to flip him around and show you all the way around. The other thing is my brother's name is Billy, so that struck me because his name is Billy. And the other thing is all this buffalo check. I am in love. Plus the bees to boot. It's the cutest gnome I've ever laid my eyes on. Now listen, she doesn't just make these gnomes, okay? All these gnomes have a story. You don't have to do anything but go. I'm not going to read Billy's story. You can go to her page and read it, okay? But they all have a story. When you get them, they have a life, okay? They are characters, and I absolutely think she does a beautiful job on these guys. They're just so cute. And you know what Vince told me about gnomes, right? No gnomes, right? Don't bring any gnomes. Y'all don't send any gnomes. I bought this one myself. He is going home to my kitchen. I cannot wait to put him in my kitchen. I think he's going to be adorable. But let me show you what else she did. So she knows us well, obviously. So she made one for me and Vinny. And look, this one is Ladybug Lane, and it says Maymay's Vinny's on the little tag. And she's all red and black and white, my favorites. Look at these little daisies. And just look how adorable she is. So now Billy has a buddy, and it's this little guy. So I want to tell you what's so funny. I don't have my camera very well. Here we go. I want to tell you what's funny. When she sent these, Vince didn't know I had ordered this one. He knew I was looking at gnomes, but he didn't know. Well, when they came in and she sent the extra one in, we put it on Vince's desk. So when he walked into work, there was a gnome sitting on his desk, and it was hilarious. And he was like, "You ordered gnomes." I said, "Well, I didn't actually order that gnome. That was a special gift. I ordered this gnome," and showed him this one. So I love these guys. I can't decide if I want them to sit together at home or if I want just to leave one at work, like in my office, because I think I do. I think I want this one at work and this one at home. But anyway, so Mona's store is called the Pickety Place. Now, there's more to it than that. Let me show you a couple other things. I do not know if this has been released yet. She told me that she's working on another item that's called Table Talk. And these are like games you can put at your dining room table. And what this is a tic-tac-toe game made with, let me take it out of the package. I hate to. Well, look, I think I can do it from the side. Let's see. Yeah. Because the package is so cute. I'm going to take it home anyway because I love this kind of thing at my table. At Thanksgiving, we usually do Thanksgiving at my house. So my family kind of sits around my table. And one year I did, you guys will remember, I did the trivia on the place cards. Let me open this and we'll talk. Okay. So one year I did trivia on the place cards. We did that. And then one year I had a little card game that we played. I like to have something for after lunch when we're just kind of sitting around chatting. This is perfect for that. This is a little tick-tock-tack. Nope, let me try it again. Tick-tock-toe game. And each of these little guys have magnets. And you see the little washers? So they stick to it. So you can take these off and play tic-tac-toe at the table. And in your bag, there's your extra that you need for the X's. How stinking cute is this? I think this is the cutest thing ever. And I have to tell y'all, I got myself a new dining room table, which I'm in love with. And I'll show you that when I do my dining room update. But it has drawers in the table. Like on the ends, there's these drawers. And this is totally going in those drawers. And look right here. She even gives you a washer on the back to hold the extra. And because of the little feet, it sits up. This is the cutest game to have at your table. Just, it reminds me of, you know, the restaurants that put the little games on the table. It reminds me of that. So that one is also from Mona's store. And now I don't know if that one's available just yet, but she is working on those. So they're probably coming soon. Then just as a thank you, she sent me these adorable magnets. Look how stinking cute all these magnets are. She didn't send them just to me. These are for everybody. So I'm going to share these with the staff. And so we'll all have adorable magnets on our fridge for the holidays. And I just want to say thank you to Mona because I am absolutely in love. Billy, he is my friend now, and now I have a new friend. I think I'm just going to call her Ladybug. And I just have these friends that are in my life, and I love them. And thank you so much for making them. Y'all, go read their little stories. Mona is extremely creative, even in writing. You have to go read it. Oh, I wanted to show you this too. So I'm going to cover up her address, but this was what my label looked like on my package. We saved it to show you. Now, I'm going to say, if she gets 1,000 orders, who knows if she can still color and draw on all the labels. But this was my label, and I think it is adorable. All right, the last one I have for you. I don't have as many, but a lot of handmade things this time. This one comes to me from a small family company founded by our desire to create together called Kind Stitchery, okay? Now, these were sent to me by the company, so I want to make sure I tell you that. And I have a beautiful card. Let me show you the card. It says, "You're so thoughtful." Isn't that cute? And then on the inside, look at this. The way they do their little business cards. Adorable. So it's Renee Shaw. She's the seamstress. I think there's more than, I know her family works in the business, but I don't know if they all sew. Let's read this little note to you guys. It says, "Maymay and Shannon, we enjoyed watching your spotlight video and wanted to share some of our products with you. Enclosed, you will find mug rugs." I'm going to pull them out as she says it. So look at these. Now, I happen to be familiar with mug rugs because I got some Christmas ones from my friends Sue and Dean Bryant. So all of us got a Christmas mug rug from them. These are not Christmas, but look at these. So a mug rug, I'll tell you what it is as we go too. You sit on your coffee table, on your table, or what have you. They're beautiful to look at, but they're a perfect place to put your drinks, your mugs, anything that might sweat onto your wood or to your surfaces that you don't want it to do. Look how beautiful. And these are scripture. How wonderful. I've got to pick one from my desk because I need one right now on my desk. And I know Shannon needs one. And I know Amber and Sylvia could use one. So by the time it's me and Amber and Sylvia and Taylor and maybe Vince, these are all going to be spoken for. But I love these so much. So there's the mug rugs. Let's keep going with her note. The next one says, snap tabs, key fobs. Let me show you these. Now, she mentions that these are cool for like backpacks and lunch boxes, and I think they're cute for luggage. Like if you're a person who's like struggles to find your luggage, like on the little rounder thing, wouldn't this be cute to put on your luggage so you'd know yours from somebody else's? I think this is perfect. Look at these. They're so cute. I just love this. A little Bible and a little fish that says Jesus. I love that. And so that one says snap tabs, key fobs that we are making for a ladies' Bible study group. So these are making for a group. It says, our #1 show seller is snowballs. Okay, let me show you snowballs. So these are snowballs. These came in this package to us. It says snowballs. We got Camo Deer Ball, Lashes Ball, and Who Used Yellow Snowball. Isn't that funny? This says, to get your pile started, I included, oh, and there's a tea towel I'll show you in a second. So these you can collect and have them in your home decor, and then you can turn them into a game because you can throw them and have a snowball fight in the house because they're not so dangerous. Now, you may not want people to do that, but I have to tell you, one Christmas, I decided to, I shouldn't say the big guy decided to not just put out presents, but actually have almost like an escape kind of game. It was called Christmas Quest. And so you had to solve some things to get your gifts and stuff. It was a whole process. And in one of the gifts, one of the reindeers wrapped up a bunch of snowballs and said, you can't have your next clue until you have a snowball fight. So on Christmas morning in our pajamas, we were having a snowball fight, trying to get our next clue for our next gift. Look how stinking cute these are. And I don't know, they're filled with something. They feel like little, almost like styrofoam balls. So they wouldn't hurt anything. They weigh nothing. Look at this little, this is Who Used Yellow Snow. How funny is that one? And this one is Lashes. They're so cute. Listen, if you have grandkids, if you gave them something like this and they could have a snowball fight at home without, look, in the South, we don't have snow. So this is the way we get snow. This one she made for Vince, obviously, because it's camo. Love it. And still one more thing from her. It says that was to get our pile started, and then included is a tea towel that we custom make. And it says, hope everyone is well and staying safe at Maymay Made It. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to share our small business with y'all. And this one she made for Vinny. It says Vinny's Vittles. And we're probably going to take this one home because I think it's really cute. And I have just the place to display it. It's so good. So her Facebook is SoCon Stitchery. Okay, here it is. Renee, Connie, and Rachel. I knew there were 3. I didn't know if these cards were individual. But Renee, Connie, and Rachel. And it says, thought Vinny would like the Camo Deer Snowball. How cute is that? Her little card. I'm going to bring these back over and show you again. So here's all the snowballs. And here's the thing about hers. On her Facebook, what you do is you can search for what she's making and you can order it. And from what I could tell, she looks like she can even do custom things. So that's what's so cool. She does a lot of embroidery, and I believe you can even order some custom projects, which would be super cool if you're looking for something specific for somebody for Christmas or for a birthday or what have you. I've got my camera completely off, so I'm trying to get all that in camera. So that is it for our small business showcase this time. Incredible items, so adorable. I cannot wait to see what you purchase. If you purchase a gnome and a story, you have to let me know because Billy probably will have friends out there, right? I need to know if you get one of these guys so I can know who Billy and Ladybug's friends are, because you just have to read her stories. They're so cool. They all have a story. And if you have earrings, look, just let us know. If you find something that really strikes you, I know so many of you have purchased spoon bracelets from Mr. Jim since the last video, and from Anara & Co., where you got your rings. So many of the small businesses are contacting me and just saying thank you. And look, it's all up to you guys. I thank you so much for supporting these small businesses and let me have the time to do these kind of videos because I think they deserve it. They're working hard and they deserve a little bit of a showcase. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. I hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.